Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to consider Mathematics Paper 1. Our topic at hand in this brief tutorial is going to be Earth Geometry. Since this is in Paper 1, the regions under Earth Geometry that are targeted are distance calculation, time calculation, and also sometimes stating the positions of the points. We are going to use a 2021 Paper 1 GCE exam. We're going to target question 11, which says the diagram below shows the positions of towns A, B, and C on the surface of the Earth. So we've got town A, which is on latitude 68 degrees north. We have town B and C, which are on latitude 30 degrees on the south. Then we have A and C, which are on longitude 0 degrees but to the west. We also have town B, which is on longitude 30 degrees west. So on A, it says a ship takes 26 hours to travel from B to C over a distance of 1,560 nautical miles. Calculates the speed of the ship in knots. So we are very lucky for this question because the time that it took has been given. Also the distance that was covered is also given. Now it remains for us to apply the correct formula for speed linking distance and time. So here on A, we're going to say speed is going to be distance over, that is the time taken. So the distance is 1,560 nautical miles over the time taken is 26, that is hours. So now, when we can divide 26 into 1,560, we start by targeting, these are two digits, so we target the first two. So 26 into 15, it can't because it's smaller. So we're going to get this number so that it becomes 156. 26 into 156, we're going to try. So if we say 26 multiplied by 6, we're going to say 6 times 6. This is going to give us 36, carry a 3. 6 times 2, this one is going to give us a 12, plus 3, this one is going to give us a 15. So 26 here, 1, 26 there, it's going to give us a 6. Then we're going to remain with a 0, then we put that is knots. So that is the answer, 60 knots. B, if the local time at A is 10:30, so let's say at A here, it's that is 10:30. Now, we want to find the time that is at B. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the difference in longitudes. This is 0 degrees. Even if it is indicated with a W or knots, it simply means it is to the left. So this one is 0 degrees west, considering how it's drawn. So A is on longitude 0 degrees west. B is on longitude 30 degrees west. Remember, when calculating the time, we're trying to use the longitudes because longitudes are used for time calculation. So this is west, and when the directions are the same, we subtract. So this is 30 minus 0. We're going to use the angle we have just found and convert it to time in terms of hours. So here we're going to say, when we want to find that is the time difference, we're going to say this is theta over 15 degrees. According to time calculation, 15 degrees is the specific or special angle for longitude which is termed to be equivalent to 1 hour. So here we're going to substitute. What is the theta? We said this is 30 minus 0. So this one is going to be 30 degrees over, that is 15 degrees. So this one is going to give us, that is 2 hours. Remember, 2 hours is not the time we are looking for. Instead, the time difference between A and B is 2 hours. And to the west, we always reduce or we always subtract the time, because if here there is, that is the international dateline, to the west, time is away, less ahead, and to the east, the time is ahead. So since it's 10:30 here, and considering that this is before that, so this is also on the west, so we're going to subtract. So we're going to say time at B is going to be 10 30 minus, that is the 2 hours we are just from calculating. So this is going to give us 30, then 10 minus 2. This is going to give us 0830 hours. So on A, we're going to say 60 knots. Then here, we're going to say 0830 hours. Having done that, it simply means we're done with the calculations that implied us understanding the way the questions were phrased and brought. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell to every time get notified when next a video is posted. And tag others that may find this same video very much beneficial for an exam build-up preparation. This remains your tutor, Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy Institutions. Till in the next video, for now, it's a very goodbye.